So here's my showcase displaying my different projects from the 6 months. I think the main pieces I'd want to talk about are the room divider that's made of velvet shine, and we cut out the frames on the Kongsberg. The acrylic windows were printed using the flatbed Mimaki, and there's a bit of gloss and matte going on there, so that was a really nice finish. I've got a wall hanging here with the Naturals collection, and this print is also on the ceramic tile table that we've also made out of Rem board. And then, piece de résistance. These were laser cut MDF boards that have been used as a woodblock printing pattern, and that was inspired by Scandinavian windows. And I also made a little lampshade cover from the same Naturals collection. So we reupholstered this chair with herringbone fabric, and the cushions are also made of the same fabric as the divider, which is some velvet shine, which I think makes a really nice luxurious look to match the outfit.